cuties, how you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel, Autumn Leaf Beauty. If you're new, welcome. My name is Autumn. Today we are doing a makeup review on one of my favorite YouTubers. Her name is Time the Infamous. I know a lot of you have heard of her. She does reviews on like the hottest makeups. She's honest about it. So recently she came out with her very own eyeshadow palette, Cakeface. I just received this a couple of days ago and I was like, I have to do a review on it as soon as possible. So yeah, we're gonna get into this video. You want to see how this palette looks and let's see what's in this box. Continue watching and remember to like, comment, subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you get notified whenever your girl posts a new video. So let's get straight into it. So in this cute box, this box is definitely cute. It's definitely giving me cupcake, you know, cake vibes, nice and sweet. I can't wait to see how the colors are. I bought the PR Collection Edition. This was retailed at $55. But before I open this box up, the eyeshadow palette is a 12-pan palette. Her brand is vegan, cruelty-free. It is highly pigmented. Luxury feel. Is eco-friendly. The collector's edition PR package. Every palette is nestled on a bed of hand-dried vegan silk and delivered in a never-before-seen patent-pending PR package with a face cake card and a special note from Time the Infamous herself. So I'm about to open this. So as you open it, it does say I'm vegan and cruelty free. And then right here it says Cakeface eyeshadow palette. So you open it. Okay. It says stay caked up, and then it has, you know, their Instagram and their hashtag, and it says tag us. And this is how it came. Girl, you outdid yourself. You outdid yourself with this. Yes, this is definitely the first. I'm definitely keeping this box. This is how the palette looks. I'm definitely liking that she's eco-fit friendly. I took the palette out the box. This is how the palette looks. So this is how, let me take that off. So this is how the palette looks. It comes with a mini mirror. The colors are definitely nice. It's a mixture of, you know, shimmery colors. It looked like it has a pressed glitter and a couple of mattes. I like that. And then on the palette it does have names of the colors. This is how the palette looks. I'm about to dib and dab in this palette real quick. So this is how I chose to do the eye look. I already put my lash on. I used cherry on top and layered cake. So far, I'm definitely loving this palette. It's super pigmented. The colors are definitely giving. I already primed my eye. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get into this look. So the first thing I'm going to start off with is Cherry on Top. Now that my crease is cut, I'm going in with the layered cake. And I'm just patting that down. And this is, I actually like this palette. I like it. I like it a lot. It is definitely super pigmented. It's easy to apply. Now I'm going back in with the Cherry on Top to get this corner, to just get right here on top of, just put a little bit of that right here to just blend all that in, I'm sorry, yes, blend all that in. Eye look. Now I'm gonna put my lashes on. Lashes by Autumn Leaf Beauty. Get yours now. Definitely on sale, baby. These lashes that I'm putting on from my brand Autumn Leaf Beauty is Holly. Y'all know I got to sell my brand in it, so like, even though it's a review, I got to sell my brand. Now I just got to sneak Autumn Leaf Beauty in it just a couple of times. Put some lash glue. the final look. I'm definitely loving this palette. I like the packaging. I wish it would have been a bigger pan for $55. So, but overall, I do like the palette. It was super pigmented. Super pigmented. I like that it was eco-friendly. Like I said, I wish it was just a little bit more colors that I can play with, but overall, I do like these colors. And this video is to the end. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, Autumn Leaf Beauty. And follow me on all my social media platforms listed down below. And give this video a thumbs up. See you next time.